I'm jealous. I am a jealous man. What are you jealous of, David? Right now, I'm jealous of a 3-year-old. Today, I was talking to a 3-year-old. I was actually talking to my brother, Jimmy. And right as I was starting, I didn't even talk to him. I was just starting to talk to him. I said, hey, what's up, man? This kid came up and said, I'm jealous. And this kid was angry. This kid was pissed. He said, "What? Okay, what are you angry about? Or what are you jealous about?" I want to talk to Jimmy. Well, you can't wait till I'm done? No, I don't want anyone to talk to Jimmy except for me. I mean, just absolute pure honesty of how exactly you're feeling without holding back. And I said, how does that make you feel? And he said, I'm angry. And I said, what do you want to do? He's like, I want to punch you. And I said, well, you can't punch me, but you want to punch this pillow? And then this kid went off on this pillow, beat the S out of this pillow. And then I said, there's other thing. You can do a rhino stomp. I showed them how to do a rhino stomp. And they stomped the S out of the floor. And and now I'm sitting in my car talking to myself saying, I'm jealous of how jealous that kid was. How they were so open, honest, and direct with their feelings. And now I'm sitting in the car, and yes, I'm jealous of the jealous kid, but I've thought of moments in my life where, hey, maybe my career could have gone better, or there's certain things that other artists, I've had that idea first, and I don't think they stole it from me, but when I did that same exact idea, it got no recognition, and when they did it, they got applauded as geniuses. And yet I have had the great opportunity and privilege to meet some of these people that I've envied and had jealous feelings of, and I would not trade my life for a second. I guess the thing I'm most jealous for these days is the honesty and purity of children, and then people who are able to go against the norm and live free in nature, something like that. Because it's a fantasy that's getting closer and closer to reality. Maybe we'll see. My question is, what are you jealous of? And can you be clear, open, and honest, direct of that? I would love for to hear what some of the things you guys are jealous of. Who and what are you jealous of? And be as jealous as the 3-year-old. I'm jealous of. They say the only way through the only way to get over jealousy is to go right through it. And so you guys have heard me talk about feelings and emotions, and a lot of way I process a lot of this stuff is through my art, is through creating, is through talking about it with this community and people close to me. But we have all these emotions, and it's okay to experience all of them. So I want to know what you're jealous of, what you're so angry about, what you're so sad about, all the ugly, icky ones.